Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 14.2.4 and we are going to configure remote services. So you need to customize remote desktop settings on your computer to allow Tom Plus, a help desk technician, remote access to your system. So in this lab, your task is to configure Office 1 to allow connections from remote desktop and add Tom Plus as a user who will be able to connect to Office 1 using a remote desktop connection. Verify that firewall ports for remote desktop are opened appropriately, then answer question. As to access remote desktop setting, in the settings app, select system, then remote desktop. To view the firewall suggestion in the setting app, select privacy and security, then Windows security, select firewall network protection. Alright, so let's see what we have here.
Okay, so this is lab 14.2.4 on Cert Master. Configure remote services lab.
Alright, so this is loaded and
The instructions are
let us go ahead and start up right away.
on your computer to allow Tom Class, a help desk technician, remote access to your system.
So because the first
Access to
option here says to configure Office 1 to allow connections from remote desktop and add Tom Plax as a user who will be able to connect to Office 1 using a remote desktop connection. So we have to verify that firewall ports for remote desktop are open appropriately, then we're going to answer the questions. Alright, so what we want to do is to open this startup menu, and then from there we want to select this. We want to turn system remote desktop on, then confirm. So in the settings, so we'll go over to privacy and security. We scroll down to Windows security and firewall and protection, and allow app through firewall.
and allow an app through the firewall.
So from there we want to
For my lab,
scroll down and select nope.
if yours aren't selected, go ahead and select them and then click OK.
Let's cancel this, close this. So we'll go back and go to system, scroll down to this remote desktop,
So that's this section here,
remote desktop user, and select this, then click on add.
Type in Tom Class.
So for here we're going to type in Tom Plus, then check name, and we click OK. So we click OK here. So when we close this, go ahead and answer the question: which of the three network types are configured to allow access through the firewall from remote desktop? Select all that apply. So for this is going to be domain network, private network, and public network. So go ahead and check answers. Everything seems correct. So that is it. So everything seems correct here. We'll go ahead and check that. I find this video helpful.